So second class, Avi goes to zoo lesson, animals and birds. So animal names, reading and learning spellings. Animals, bear, bear, bear. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Lion, lion, lion. Fish, fish, fish. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, 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 monkey. Birds, duck, crow, eagle, hen, parrot, owl. Duck, crow, eagle, hen, parrot, owl. Spellings: eagle, 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 eagle. Parrot, 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 parrot. Parrot. Crow, crow, crow. Hen, hen, hen. Duck, duck. Owl, owl. Here some more animals and birds names, spellings: lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, camel, peacock, myna, horse. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Zebra, zebra. Camel, camel. Peacock, peacock, peacock. Myna, myna. Horse, horse. Here, so read and learn spellings of these animals and birds.